Hear this powerful truth once more. None of us truly experience life itself. We only experience the life we choose to focus on every single day. Your brain is designed to help you survive and thrive. It does three things exceptionally well. It distorts reality, it deletes information, it generalizes patterns. These are not flaws, they are useful tools. Your conscious mind has limited capacity. It can only process a small amount of information at any moment. Right now you are not aware of the gentle touch of your clothes on your skin. You do not notice your heartbeat until it is pointed out. Most sensations, sounds, and details are deleted automatically. This filtering protects you from overload. However, it also means that whatever you focus on becomes a reality. You feel it deeply in your body, even if it never happened. Imagine someone betraying you. Picture it vividly. Your heart races, your stomach tightens, the emotion surges as if the event is real. This is why a courageous person faces fear once. A coward dies 1,000 deaths through endless worry. The body experiences the pain repeatedly because of focus. You have the power to shift that focus instantly. Change what you dwell on, and you change your entire emotional state. Happiness is a choice because focus is a choice. Set a high standard for your thoughts. Own your mind. Reclaim your autonomy. When you consciously direct attention toward gratitude, possibility, and joy, life transforms. You stop being a victim of circumstances. You become the creator of your experience. Embrace this principle today. Choose empowering focus. Live with intention. Unlock true freedom and fulfillment starting now. Relationships form the foundation of a meaningful life, yet true happiness depends entirely on your internal choices. Abraham Lincoln once said, "Most folks are as happy as they make up their minds to be." He understood this deeply through personal trials. He failed in business at age 21. He lost a legislative race at 22. Business failed again at 24. His sweetheart died at 26. He suffered a nervous breakdown at 27. He lost congressional races at 34 and 36. He failed in a senatorial bid at 45. He was denied vice presidential nomination at 47. Another senatorial loss came at 49. Yet at 52 he was elected president. He led the nation through its darkest hour and preserved the Union. Despite overwhelming darkness, Lincoln remained a beacon of light. He chose to focus on hope, service, and purpose. His story proves that external events do not determine joy. Your perspective does. Many experiences bring happiness. Recall moments of pure delight. Perhaps it was a breakthrough achievement. Maybe it was simple fun with loved ones, or quiet reflection alone. Notice the qualities. Was it excitement, completion, variety, connection? These feelings shift quickly based on focus. If happiness relies only on external triggers, social media, news, or others' opinions control you. True autonomy comes from conscious choice. Decide what deserves your attention. Prioritize positive, empowering thoughts. Build a standard where joy is non-negotiable. Value happiness above all else. When you do, life aligns with your deepest desires. You attract more reasons to celebrate. You embody resilience. You inspire others. Make happiness your priority. Watch your world brighten. Most people fear the worst possible outcome. They imagine scenarios so devastating they believe recovery is impossible. In surveys across North America, the top feared event is becoming a quadriplegic. The ultimate dream is often winning the lottery, yet research reveals a surprising truth. Studies on lottery winners and accident victims who became paralyzed show remarkable patterns. 3 years later, happiness levels return to similar baselines for both groups. This demonstrates hedonic adaptation. Humans adjust to new circumstances. Lottery winners face new stresses. Everyone expects favors. Relationships strain. Simple pleasures lose their shine. Paralyzed individuals discover joy in small victories. A finger twitch brings overwhelming gratitude. Contrast resets perspective. We adapt to highs and lows. Our natural happiness set point pulls us back, unless we intervene consciously. You can be in a loving relationship, yet feel unloved by focusing on perceived slights. Wealth surrounds you, yet emptiness persists if attention goes to lack. Happiness has nothing to do with external conditions. It lives in your internal world. You know this intellectually. Now embody it fully. Move from cognitive understanding to emotional mastery. Cognitive mastery means grasping concepts. Emotional mastery means feeling them deeply, with consistency. Link positive actions to pleasure. Associate limiting patterns with pain. Repetition with strong emotion wires it into your body. Mastery emerges. What once felt hard becomes automatic. Apply this to happiness. Make it a daily practice. Value joy, fulfillment, and meaning above temporary gains. When happiness ranks high, you receive more of it. You savor life fully. You thrive regardless of storms. Choose your focus. Master your state. Live in lasting peace and power. Real stories illustrate the speed of transformation through focus. One person shared joy from leading an event in Dubai with 200 attendees. Opportunities ahead excited him. Becoming a father filled him with anticipation. Past experiences stayed alive because he revived them intentionally. He focused on possibility, freedom, and love. Another overcame 3 serious health challenges last year. Pride in personal growth and impact fueled ongoing happiness. Health, once taken for granted, now feels precious. Waking up able-bodied brings deep appreciation. A third person loves life itself. Simply being alive, healthy, and present is enough. Money, relationships, and external achievements matter less. Pure gratitude for existence sustains constant joy. These examples show how focus reshapes everything instantly. Think of 3 things that make you happy right now. Feel those emotions fully in your body. Is it excitement from achievement, resolve from overcoming obstacles, fun from variety, completion from goals met, connection with others, solitude and peace, savoring the present? Qualities vary, yet all stem from deliberate attention. One moment upset dominates, the next gratitude floods in. We do not experience raw life. We experience the filtered version we emphasize. Delete disempowering thoughts, minimize problems, magnify blessings, bring beautiful memories forward, generate new possibilities from a positive state. Reconnect to them often. From that foundation, create more. This is the path to consistent happiness. It requires priority and practice. Value fulfillment deeply. Align actions accordingly. Watch your energy rise. Inspire those around you. Become the light in any darkness. Happiness is your birthright. Claim it through conscious focus today. Mastery over happiness demands consistent effort, yet the rewards are profound. Start by setting clear standards. Decide how you will show up regardless of circumstances. Own your emotional state. Do not surrender it to media, people, or events. Practice daily rituals that reinforce positive focus. Recall moments of triumph, love, and growth. Feel them vividly. Amplify sensations of joy, resolve, and peace. Use contrast wisely. Past challenges heighten present gratitude. Storms make rainbows more vivid. Beauty emerges from difficulty when you choose growth. Who you become matters more than what you acquire. Pride in character, resilience, and contribution endures. Shift from chasing external highs to cultivating internal strength. Emotional mastery builds through repetition and intensity. Link empowering habits to pleasure, destructive patterns to discomfort. Over time, it becomes instinctive. Like any skill practiced long enough, it flows naturally. Areas where others struggle become effortless for you. Apply this to joy. Prioritize it above achievement, status, or possessions. Different words resonate differently. Happiness, fulfillment, peace, love, meaning. Choose the one that ignites your soul. Whatever fulfills you most, pursue it internally first. External results follow. You control the lens through which life appears. Widen it to include abundance, possibility, and gratitude. Narrow it to lack, fear, and limitation. The choice is yours every moment. Reclaim power. Direct attention wisely. Experience the life you deserve. One of focus on light, growth, and celebration. Radiate positivity. Inspire transformation in yourself and others. This is the ultimate freedom. Embrace it fully. Your happiest, most empowered life awaits your decision now. Ultimately, the journey to sustained happiness is about consistent conscious choice in a world full of distractions. You hold the key to your emotional destiny. No circumstance, no person, no event can steal your peace unless you allow it by misplaced focus. Train your mind like an athlete trains the body. Daily repetition builds unbreakable habits. Begin each morning with intention. List 3 sources of gratitude. Feel them deeply. Let excitement, completion, or simple appreciation fill your being. Throughout the day, notice when focus drifts to negativity. Gently redirect it. Celebrate small wins, savor connections, appreciate health, breath, and opportunity. When challenges arise, use them as fuel for growth. Ask what this teaches. How can I become more? Past pain highlights present blessings. Without storms, beauty loses depth. Yet you do not need endless hardship. Choose proactive focus instead. Master cognitive understanding first. Know these principles deeply. Then, layer emotion. Feel the shift powerfully. Add consistency. Repeat until it embeds in your physiology. Automatic joy emerges. You respond to life from strength, not reaction. Value what truly matters. Happiness ranks supreme. Fulfillment follows. Meaning unfolds. You attract more of what you emphasize. Life mirrors your dominant thoughts. Make them uplifting, empowering, and grateful. Share this wisdom. Inspire others to choose happiness. Become a living example. Your light brightens the world. Freedom, true freedom, comes from within. It is not granted by conditions. It is claimed by focus. Step into it now. Own your experience. Live vibrantly. Celebrate every moment. This is your power. This is your life. Choose happiness. Choose mastery. Thrive eternally.